This is day 4. One of us couldn't start. The Chevy did. It's a nice soggy day today. It's going to be raining all day, so we're going to cut a day short here and pack her up today and go quadding tomorrow instead. So it is what it is. Talk to you soon. Day 4 is rough. We're packing up and leaving. There's a lot of rain, and I can handle the rain, but what I can't handle is the massive mosquitoes and bugs. So we're tore apart. Our legs, our arms, our faces, everything's tore apart. Everybody with all 3 groups are just scratching and scratching. So we're decided we're packing up, going back to town, and we're just gonna reboot, and instead of packing tomorrow and coming back to town, we'll go quadding instead. So that's where we're at, and my poor old van is not packed up the way it's supposed to be packed up. My shower tent's not packed up. Nothing's packed up. It's just throw in and let's go. So anyways, everyone, hopefully I got some content for everybody and it wasn't too bad, but I know there were some boring spots, like when I was drinking and trying to do fireworks late at night. I saw that was a 13-minute video of really not a whole. So I apologize for that. So anybody that watched that, hats off to you. But anyways, I'm just gonna keep finishing packing up here. We're just starting to pack up his truck now. So all this that's left over has to go on his truck because all mine is in my van. And he's gonna take my bike back for me. So please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. I might do another video clip today later on. I don't know yet. Like I said, we're exhausted. We're chewed alive, and we just want to get out of here and go back to town and do some other stuff. So see you soon. Talk about good timing. Been on the road for about 5-10 minutes now, and this is what's going on. So we got packed up just in time. Tell you, man, I've been around a long time. Can't mess around. So I wouldn't want to be packing up in this. So it is what it is. We cut her a day short. We're going back to town, have a shower, clean up, and then tomorrow maybe quadding. So talk to you later.